everyone, welcome back to CareerFlow.ai. A couple of days back, the tech world blew up when a startup founder exposed an Indian techie guy named Soham Parekh. He was simultaneously working at 5 to 6 startups. Many of them were backed by Y Combinator. Now, Y Combinator or YC is a startup accelerator and venture capital firm that provides seed funding, connections, and advices to early stage startups. To date, YC has funded over 5,000 companies which have a combined valuation of $800 billion with notable successes like Airbnb, Coinbase, Stripe, and many more. The Soham Parekh story is a cautionary tale, but it also serves as a powerful lesson of what captures attention in today's job market and what ultimately fails in the long run. Today, I am breaking down how he crafted that killer email outreaches and built a resume that opened doors. But most importantly, we will delve into important lessons every job seeker needs to learn from his story. But before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more such videos. Soham's email outreach game was next level. He crafted that sleek, personalized email that grabbed attention immediately. The emails often started with "I love everything about your company" and includes strong links of GitHub profiles. The emails briefly discussed his experience and expertise. Now, this specifically shows tangible work and initiative. He wasn't specifically shy about sending cold emails or direct messages to founders on LinkedIn. His persistence evidently got him into the pipeline of some top tier startups until, as we know, things eventually unraveled. So, job seekers, what you can learn from this is don't be shy about sending cold emails directly to recruiters or hiring managers. What you can do is find out who are the actively hiring recruiters in your dream company or your dream role and just send them an email or a LinkedIn DM about how your experience and expertise can help in growing their company and everything why you love their company. Now here is how CareerFlow.ai can help you out. You can find out actively hiring recruiters or hiring managers in your desired company or your dream role using our Find Recruiters tool, and you can send them outreach emails using our email writer tool. Soham Parekh's resume was all over the internet and probably you have seen it too. But what you have learned from that resume that grabbed multiple offers? In our previous videos, we have talked about resume structure, how to write a job-training resume and more. And let me tell you this resume by Soham Parekh ticks all the right boxes. Let me tell you how. It's a 2-page document listing multiple remote roles, many of which are from YC-backed companies. A professional template and proper keywords made the resume irresistible. It initially passed those ATS scans and grabbed multiple interviews. The personal details like contact information, email, LinkedIn profile links, and other links are carefully placed at the top of the resume. The experience section is well written using bullet points. Each bullet point is starting with strong action verbs like implemented, developed, or spearheaded. Setting aside work ethics, I particularly wanted to discuss some lessons every job seeker must learn from Soham Parekh's story. His outreach and resume was effective and on point, even if the content was flawed. This is where tools like CareerFlow.ai comes in. They help you build the legitimate resume and craft effective outreach. CareerFlow.ai has introduced a new YC startup template. This template is designed specifically for jobs at startup, providing clarity, impact, and the kind of information early stage companies truly value. It helps your authentic experience stand out to founders who read resume fast without need of any fabrication. To try this template, visit CareerFlow.ai and head over to its resume builder tool. Now there you will have the option to select a new template and then you can apply the new YC startup template. The link to our resume builder tool, email writer tool and Find Recruiters tool is in the description box. Go check it out now. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions related to resume, interview, job search or anything, just drop them in the comments. We will help you out. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.